All right, we made it. Let's see. Wow. It said 10 miles per hour wind. It feels like 15, 20. Yeah, I'm back here in Oshkosh doing some, I don't know yet. I still don't know what the heck I'm doing. I'm just out here scouting for white bass, and I figure I make the best of it if I do scout for them. It's very windy out, that's for sure. The wind is blowing into the river, so that's a good sign. And I think I'm just gonna soak some cut bait. It's been a long time since I've been at this spot. I say 2 years? Yeah. I might actually have to put my waders on because look, the water's up pretty high. Didn't bring any boots. I'll just put on my waders, get the catfish rods out, see what happens. Stay tuned. Alright, so gotta get dressed here a little bit because, like I said, I'm not wading. It's just, I didn't bring my boots. Just have my waders with me in the car. And this is our best bet to stay dry. Doesn't make any sense. And from the wind too, because that wind does get pretty cold. And you get that nasty gusty kind. Yeah, they blocked this road. They reconstructed basically everything over there. So yeah, you can't park any closer over here anymore. I feel like it's been forever since I've been here. Like I said, at least 2 years. I think last time I was here was like 2020. Yeah, just about. I'm pretty sure these rocks are slippery, so I gotta be careful. Just trying to drop off all my stuff first. Start off with the 4-ounce weight, because we gotta get it way out there. And there's some nice current out here too. So just putting this bait way out there is gonna be key, from what I remember. The water is high. It's higher than normal, higher than this summer, if anything. It's okay. Look at this. Shad has got to be my favorite, all-time favorite cut bait to use for catfish. All right. There we go. That's the cast. That's the cast I wanted. Let's go. And now we kind of just chill out and wait while I do other stuff. This is all rock, so I don't think I can put this thing on anything, honestly. Just gotta go find some rocks and put it up here. Nope, can't. It's all rocks.
Hey, guys, get a picture with you?
Sure. Any luck at all?
Nah.
Yeah, just got here? Really? Yeah, I'm just scouting too. They said that it's not ready yet.
Yeah.
So what's your name?
Chummy.
Chummy?
Yeah.
I'm David. You guys know me. Yeah, cool dude. Sweet.
Thank you.
So yeah, alright, cool dude. Yeah, good luck. Yeah, I'll be here, so more than welcome to join me. I gotta do what I did last time. Cast from up here. It's the only way. Way into the middle. Got a bite, got a bite. That bounced super hard. Dude, that was a hard hit. Oh, okay. He's got it, he's got it, he's got it. Yep, he's got it. He ran right towards me, dude. That's a nice fish. Dude, way out there in like 27 feet of water. It's not that big, but not yet. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a channel. Nice, dude. That's a beautiful channel. Wow. That's a very nice channel. Yep, it's a female. Way out there. Look at this guy. Look at this beautiful fish. Right on the hook here. That's a nice, solid channel, dude. That's a nice fish. Going back. So beautiful, man. I love it. Oh, jeez, okay. Nice. Alright, let's do it again. Go way out here. Draw off my thumb so I can cast this thing. Way out there, man. Way in the middle of the river. But it's like 30 feet out there. Oh, shit, my rod, fuck. He's on. Bro, I fell in the water. Dude, we got a nice one on. I was still checking my phone. I was still checking my phone, dude. It's a nice fish. Oh, dude, that's deep water, man. There we go. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Came from the depths. Sheesh. This guy doesn't even have an eye. Still another nice channel. Hi guys, back to back action. That was a close one. I was not ready for that. Not at all. So what I do is I cut them in half, right? Or mid-body, whatever you want to call it. And then I'll cut a little portion back here. Like I might use this piece, but I use this piece to secure the bait, right? Because when you cast it, they fall off. So I'm gonna bring this guy back in. I'll put the head piece on, hook it sideways. Okay, that way you grab more meat. There's one. There's two. I go right by the gill, because that's where the bone is. Throw a little 3-piece right here, just for the heck of it. And then I use this tail piece to secure it, because this meat right here, it's very elasticy. So when I cast it, and if it hits the water or within the cast, it doesn't pop off as easy. Because when you're casting this thing out here, you're freaking bombing it out there. So yeah, that's what I do. Just like that. Nothing falls off. Boom. Way out there. That's how I secure my cut bait. Especially with shad. The meat is so soft. Oh. I knew I heard something run. He's on. That's a nice fish. Oh, dude. Way in there. That dude took off running. Get out of there. Oh no, it popped off. No. Oh, he took me to the rocks. Oh, it popped off. He took me to the rocks and he got off. Dang, that was a nice fish. Oh well, at least you got him. Got him. Yep. We got him finally. Oh my god, he's pulling really hard. He's dogging me now. He's pulling really hard. Get him out of the rocks. Stay out of the rocks. Nice channel. That's a nice one. It's a fat girl, dude. Wow, it's chubby. You see that? Finally, guys. One for the DSLR. That's a nice fish. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. There you go. Nice. Alright, catch and release. Just look at how healthy and big this channel are, dude. Look at that. So beautiful. Man. See ya. Nice, dude. Keep it up. Keep it up. High, 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 high. Fast, 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 fast. He's running right at you. Yep. Yeah, keep going, dude. Keep going, keep going. Keep it high. All right, get ready. Oh, it's a drum. You're good.
Oh, freaking sheephead.
Oh, she.
Yeah, he swallowed it.
Oh, jeez.
He's a good run. Huh?
Isn't that thing pregnant?
I have no idea. Well, we got a drum. That works.
Yeah.
Still a good fight.
Yeah, it was.
They get freaking huge.
Yeah.
Nice, dude.
Yeah,
Good job.
Thank you. Thank you.
See ya.
Yeah, I really appreciate that. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yep. It looked like something touched it. Hold on. Hold on. I don't think that was the wave. Oh, that's a fish. Got him. Yep. I got him. Finally. The wait paid off. Finally, dude. Oh, it's a nice one, I think. It's just so deep. Oh my gosh, that's a nice fish. Oh no, he's caught. He's caught. Oh no, it popped off. Ah, oh, he got caught in the snag again. Dang, dude. He broke me off. Gosh. Dang. That sucks. That was a good fish. It took me in the snag like I was telling you guys. That was a really good fish too. Oh, oh, oh. Got a bite, got a bite. Let's not screw up this one. Got him, yep. Got him this time. It's a nice one too. Get out of there. Get out of there. Stay on, stay on. Get out of there. He's trying to take me down. There we go. Now he's up. Woo. It's a nice one. Oh, dude, that's a nice one. Oh, it's a drum. It's a big old drum. Oh my gosh. He's massive. Holy cow, dude. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so finally we got a fish to end the trip here. I can't even talk. Look at this massive fish. I think it's huge. I gotta hide my face so I focus. Look at the head on this thing. My goodness. Wow, isn't that the coolest thing? They're so freaking pretty. Alright, let's release it. Oh jeez, it stabbed me, gosh. No, no, come back, come back. Okay, never mind, it's gone. It stabbed me, ouch. Oh, that hurts. It cut me pretty good. Sorry, buddy. Well, like I said, yeah, it cut me pretty good, guys. Holy smoke. That's the last fish. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. It took a while, but we did it. We got one fish to end the video. I'm done. Thank you, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.